Hi everyone, welcome to the end user training program for your new Salesforce platform for Talent Stacker. My name is Heather, and John Mazzara and myself, your friendly admins, are going to walk you through how to use this platform so that you can get the most out of it. Talent Stacker is a paid career development program where you support and nurture individuals through the process of signing up, developing marketable skills, gaining professional experience, and ultimately graduating from the program and attaining a Salesforce job. So today we're going to walk through how to use this platform and provide you with all the information that you need to get started.
Okay, so up next is the project enrollment object. So this object is to help to record members who have been on the experience project or a volunteer project with an external organization. So when you head to the project enrollment object, you can click the button new. And when you click new, there'll be two options for you to choose from. So just select the appropriate option, whether the member has gone for the experience project or the volunteer project. Just to take note, there are a few validation rules that were actually set in place. So members can only be added to an experience project once they have been admin certified and they have not been marked with poor attendance for any past experience project, if any. So let's say if you want to add a member to an experience project, an error message will pop up, so letting you know what needs to be done in order to add a member who cannot be added to an experience project just yet. Okay, so next is the project object. This project object is just an object we created in order to be able to link multiple objects, multiple contacts, members to project enrollment. So for your day-to-day work, you can just focus on the project enrollment object. You don't have to focus so much on this project object. Okay, so next is the volunteer Ohana object. So this is to record the leadership positions a member might be taking up in the Talent Stacker program. So as you know, we offer 4 different leadership positions. So how you can actually record this is step 1. Of course, you go to the Ohana object and you click new, as you can see over here. Step 2, select the leadership position the member is applying for. So we have 4 for you to choose from. And third is select the status of the member's application, whether it's been applied, reviewed, or accepted. Right. So to take note, it's the same thing for volunteer Ohana. As you know, not everyone can become a leader, can hold these leadership positions. So there are certain criteria that we have put in place to make sure that the data stays clean. So for example, an experienced project leader and also member mentorship leader, they must be admin certified. They must have completed at least one experience project with a positive review. Yeah. So, and also for the LinkedIn review leader and so on. Don't worry if you can't remember the different criteria. There'll be an error message that pops up if you're unable to add a certain member, and you can take the necessary actions accordingly. Okay, so next is also the email templates. So once a member has been accepted into a leadership role, of course you want to be able to send training guides to them, right? So for the respective managers, right, you can head to the email templates object. So how you can do this is from the home page, you can click more and you can actually click email templates. Alternatively, you can also just search from the waffle icon at the top left hand side. Okay, so once you're in, as you can see, there are 4 different templates for 4 different leadership positions. Just to take note that these templates are kept in private folders, only shared with the respective managers. So if you can't see a certain template, that means you're not supposed to. Okay, so last but not least, we have our help resources and additional training. So what you can expect is training resources folder. This recording will be kept inside there, and also the slides for this presentation. So let's say if you need to review them anytime, don't worry, it's always there. We also have extra training provided by Salesforce. You can head down to the Salesforce platform for end user training. Of course, the best kind of experience is hands-on experience. So let's say if you want to get your own training instance of Salesforce, you can also go to the developer. You can actually sign up for a developer edition. It's free, and you can also log in to the training with your DevOps credentials from above on Trailhead. So we say Trailhead is the training ground for Salesforce professionals and also users to familiarize themselves with the platform. Okay, so lastly, since we have a little bit more time, so next will be Q&A. So be happy to answer any questions that you have.